Emmy, what's that?
What is it?
Wow.
What is it?
It's Daddy's thumb.
What's on Daddy's thumb? What is it? What is it? What is it?
What is that? Tail, huh? Oh, he's walking. Here, put your hand here. Wow! What is it?
He's on you. What is it, Emmy? Can you say it? Can she say it?
Yeah, I think so.
Emmy, what is that?
Can you say caterpillar? What is it? Wow.
Does he tickle?
That neat? Does it tickle arm?
Don't squeeze him too hard.
Careful.
Oh, she's nice. Can you hold him nice? Yeah.
There you go. Okay, should we let him back on the tree?
Not really.
Yeah, back on the leaf. There. Caterpillar
There he's
back on
hanging
the
off the leaf.
Bye-bye, caterpillar. Have a nice day. Have a nice day, caterpillar.
Bye-bye.